Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. I'm not really going to go into detail about Fab Fit Fun. There are so many other YouTubers who talk about it and just people I know in person who don't do YouTube and know about Fab Fit Fun. So you can literally just look up Fab Fit Fun and learn more about them. This is my second Fab Fit Fun box. I did get the spring box but didn't do a video on it, and I didn't really know if you guys would be interested in one, so yeah, I'm doing this one anyways because the value of my box is insane. We'll get on with that, and I will leave the Fab Fit Fun website down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, and if you want to see what products I got in this box, then just keep on watching. So what I really like about Fab Fit Fun is you can customize your items, and I think that's only if you become a member. I'm not sure if you just get it like 1 month, if you can customize it, you might be able to, but I'm not 100% sure. But if you become a member for Fab Fit Fun, I signed up for the year, so I'm able to customize all the items in the box. There are certain items that come in every single box, but there's like 3, 4, or 5 items that you can customize yourself, which I think is really, really nice. If you don't want to customize it and you want it to be a complete surprise, you can do that. I like that feature because then I know the products I'm getting are going to go to use and not just wasted. Yeah, so we're going to get on with the products. So the first thing you get when you open the box are these little cards, and this is the $15 off code for FabFitFun. I don't know if it's a one-time use or anything. It says pass it on to a friend who would love FabFitFun, so I'm pretty sure it's just a one-time use code. Normally codes are $10 off, but this is a $15 off one, so that's really nice. And then they have an $80 gift card for HelloFresh. And then you also get a magazine, and inside the magazine talks about the products that you can get in the box and just different articles and stuff anyways. So the magazine labels it as 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. So those are the items you could pick from and so on and so forth. So we're going to just go in order to make it easy to keep track of. So for the 1 items, you could have gotten the Soft Touch Marble Mini Blow Dryer. You can get a Lotus Flower Towel, the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream and Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream, or this kimono. So the item I picked out of the options for number 1 were the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream and the Moisturizing Shower Gel. And these smell so good. I haven't opened this yet at all, but I've opened up the lid of this and not even taken off the little foil thing that covers it, but I can already smell the product and it smells so good. So the retail value for the 2 products here are $45. So yeah, that's already almost the cost of this box. Alright, so the number 2 items, you could have gotten the 111 Skin Face Masks. You can get the tie-dye ceramic bowls, you could get the tote bag, or you can get a letterboard. And I picked the 111 Skin Face Masks, and these are just sheet masks, and they come in a pack of 5, and the price is gonna blow your mind. If you haven't already seen how much this item costs, leave a comment down below telling me how much you think this set of 5 rose gold masks are. Did you put your guess down already? Yeah? Okay. $160 for 5 sheet masks. That's ridiculous. I would never pay that. I don't even want to spend more than $5 on a single sheet mask. So yeah, that's insane. And it's because it has gold flakes or whatever in it, 24 karat gold. Yeah, it says it has 24 karat gold in it, but I don't know if that's going to do anything for your skin. Is it a miracle worker? I don't know. Alright, so for the 3rd option, you can get these Burn 360 resistance bands with a medium, a light, and a heavy resistance. You can get this double star necklace, and you can also get the silicone wine glasses. And I picked the resistance bands because I will be moving and we do have an apartment gym there, but also I can use these for little home workouts. They're just very simple little resistance bands. The medium one is the only one that's a hip circle, not as intense as a hip circle though, but the one that's like together like this, the light and the heavy are the one that's just the resistance band, and you have to just like pull it and it's completely like straight. And the retail value for this is $34. Alright, so moving on to number 4, we could get the Ico London Black Liquid Eyeliner. We could get the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream, or a mystery item. So I picked the mystery item. So my mystery item was the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer, and the retail value of this is $38. So for customization number 5, you could pick between the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, the Coola SPF 30 setting spray, and the Intelligent Nutrient Refining Micro Polish. I ended up picking up the micro polish, and the retail value of this is $57. Alright, so the next 4 items are items that come in every single box. So this first one is the Invisibobble hair ties, but you get 6 hair ties in here, and the retail value of this is $16. Next is this Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and I love face masks. So this is really going to be fun to try, and I love the color purple, and this is a $39 face mask. So next is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray, and the retail value of this is $25.95. And then the last product is from Wish, and it is their exfoliating foot mask, and I hate feet so much, but you know, maybe I'll use this on my feet, maybe I'll give it to someone, I don't know. I hardly ever really wear flip-flops like in general, unless I'm literally just putting them on to like go throughout the garbage. But this is a $32 foot exfoliating foot mask. So if you guys haven't been typing the cost of this box because I said it was like an insane value, then you guys wouldn't know, but I did the little math for you, and the total value of this box is $446.95. That's insane for paying $49. I think when you do the yearly subscription for it, you get $5 off each of the boxes, so it like is $20 off total. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure I paid like $180 instead of $200. So depending on the items you got in your box, it could have been a value of $269.95 to $467.95. There was a couple items that I didn't get the most expensive item in that category for, but you know, not a big deal. I didn't get the items to get like the highest value. I picked items based on what I thought I would get the use out of. But if you wanted to do it solely based on value, you could do that. Alright guys, so that was it for my FabFitFun unboxing. If you guys tried FabFitFun and you like it, let me know down below. What was your favorite item in this box if you got this box? If you haven't gotten FabFitFun, are you going to sign up for it? And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notification so you guys know every single time I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!